All right, ladies and gentlemen, I remember your humble host Otiba One Tiba, and this is another week of Street Vibes. Keep watching VNTV. We are coming. Boss Pacho, differentiate mami smartphone and cell phone.
Smartphone and cell phone.
It's about to go down.
It's not the same.
Hey, don't do that.
But I don't understand.
Look, my boy, you are too young to understand how these things work.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
What's the difference between a cell phone and a smartphone?
Cell phone and a smartphone. Although there is a bit different from cell phone.
Okay, tell us, what's the bit different?
The cell phones function a bit different from the smartphone.
What is the little different from your own that you are telling me? Okay, what's the function? The little bit different that is it?
Cell phone function more than the
smartphone.
Yeah, the smartphone.
So the cell phone function more than the
I don't take madness. I don't take far.
Okay, what's the difference between cell phone and smartphone?
Cell phone and smartphone.
It's about to go down.
Okay. You have the smartphone and then cell phone. Yeah, they are two different.
What is the difference? What's the one? Can you give me one feature that makes the two of them different?
Yeah. The one have data and another don't have data.
What is the difference between a cell phone and a smartphone?
Cell phone and a smartphone. Well,
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
ask him.
No. I'm with you now. Finish your own first.
Cell phone
And
and
smartphone.
Look at this.
the same. It's the same.
Cell phone, smartphone, the same? Are you sure?
I don't know. That's why I said it's the same.
I will use this bottle to shook.
What's the difference between a smartphone and a cell phone?
It's the same.
Smartphone, cell phone.
It's the same.
You are sure?
Yes.
How many regions are there in Ghana?
10 regions.
We have 10 regions.
Which one is the smallest?
Eastern region.
Brazil! Which one is the smallest?
Greater Accra.
Boss, how many regions are there in Ghana?
10 regions.
10 regions.
Are you sure?
Yes.
10 regions.
Okay, which one is the smallest?
Eastern.
Yeah, final answer.
Greater Accra.
Are you sure it's Greater Accra?
Yes.
The smallest.
Greater Accra.
Okay,
Hey,
it's which one?
Whoa, wait, what's going on?
Oh, regions. You're on in Kronketwa.
He said regions. The smallest.
Smallest.
Okay.
So which one is the smallest?
You don't know.
Look at you when they are talking about you people need to want to kill me.
Greater Accra.
Are you sure?
Yeah, very sure.
How many regions are there in Ghana?
10.
Which one is the smallest?
Greater Accra.
Are you sure?
Yes, please.
You know what time it is? Straight up. All right, what's up? Listen.
Okay, Pacho, spell mama virgin.
Virgin.
We have some problems that if the drum face is there, you don't beat the side and side.
Oh, but I tell you, I no go to school, so why I can spell virgin?
Oh, ground, yes, sure, yes.
Virgin.
Virgin. V-I. V.
V what? I want to hear it loud.
V-I-R-G-E.
Nigga!
I spell virgin.
VIRGINE.
I'm picking for you.
Spell virgin for me.
V
All right.
R A V
Okay.
R.
Oh, no, how? No.
Let me spell it here.
No! Expo is not allowed in this exam. It's meant Finish it.
Oh, let me story tell you.
No. Let's go.
VRIGEN.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Virgin. Spell.
VIRGIN.
VIRGIN.
Is I blind, mate?
What's the difference between AC and air condition?
It's the same. Okay, no. Air conditioning is house and AC is a car.
Can you imagine this animal?
What is the difference between AC and air condition?
Air conditioning, although we use air conditioning in normally rooms, and AC sometimes cars and this thing.
Just maintain it like that. Maintain it. Maintain it.
So we use air conditioning for the houses or offices, but AC normally we used to other car inside, or that's my idea.
I want you. Are you mad?
What's the difference between air condition and AC?
They are the same.
It's the same.
Are you sure?
It's the same thing.
AC is still air conditioning, because air conditioning is a word, it's a full word, and AC is an abbreviation.
She dey mash up my head, oh. This girl go dey make her go colo, hey. The way you dey be my spec, oh. This girl could kill me, kill me.